full of hopes.
Good time.
Hey! Well, did you have a good week? Did you read any books? Try any new foods? Go play at the park? Why don't we take a look and see the things that you guys have done this week?
Well done.
Well done.
Well, wasn't that a lot of fun?
Yeah.
Thanks for sending those in. Do you remember that we've been thinking about this part of the Bible? There was a letter from someone named Paul, and it said something like this. It says, God has helped us, and He will help us. We can have hope that God will help us again. And remember, we can help others by praying for them. I'm thinking about God helping us. You know, there's a lot of things in our lives that are really hard, and things in lives of people all over the world. And God can help us with those things.
Yeah.
And how does God help us? Well, in so many different ways. Sometimes it's a miracle. Sometimes God helps us learn a new skill. Sometimes God uses a person to come and help us.
Ooh.
And sometimes God can use us to help other people.
What?
Do you know one person that a lot of people are celebrating tomorrow who was a huge helper? I'll give you 3 hints. Number 1, he worked hard to stop racism in America. 2, he was a pastor. 3, he was named after a very famous old Christian. Do you have any guesses?
Can I guess?
Go ahead.
Martin Luther King Jr.
That's right. We're celebrating Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. tomorrow, remembering that he is a huge hero as he spent his whole life trying to help Black and brown people be treated better in America. They had been facing lots of violence and unfair treatment, and Dr. Martin Luther King felt that God was hurting to see all this, and he wanted to make a change. I'd like to invite you to do something helpful. There's a group called Mennonite Central Committee that's asked us to put together kits for people who are in prison.
Yes, can I tell you something else? They help lots of other people around the world.
Oh, Mennonite Central Committee does, yes. And here's a chance to help people in Philadelphia. So would you like to see how to put these kits together?
Yeah.
Make sure you check their website and make a list. The kit has pretty specific requirements, so it's important to know what you're shopping for. And then hit the streets. Head to your store that might sell things like t-shirts, toothpaste, soap. You might need a basket. There's a few items. Come home, organize your things in a 2-gallon bag, label it with the gender and size, and package it up. Then drive it to the address on their website. So I hope you and your family might think about putting one of those kits together.
Mm-hmm.
And as we think about God helping us, thinking about how we help other people, let's sing this song to remember how powerful our God is.
Hi, let's sing a song together. This song has motions, so stand up and we can sing. Are you ready? My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do. Let's do it again. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do. The mountains are His, the rivers are His, the stars are His handiwork too. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do. Let's do it again. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do. The mountains are His, the rivers are His, the stars are His handiwork too. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do. Now here's my dog Momo. Let's sing it really quietly to Momo, or she'll start barking, okay? My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do. Come on. The mountains are His, the rivers are His, the stars are His handiwork too. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do.
It has been a joy to be together tonight, and I look forward to next week. You know what? We are going to have another special video of a family helping someone. So tune back next week, see how we are helping people, and send us some videos and pictures of your week. Can't wait for it. Bye-bye.